Welcome back to our channel. I'm so excited that you are with us here on the College of Style YouTube channel. And today we are going to be talking about Pinterest. I would love for you to open up your Pinterest account. If you don't have one already, try to make one and pause the video and then come back to this tutorial. One of the things that is the best parts about Pinterest is that you can have secret boards. Yes, secret boards where you can pull in some of the different favorites that you have, and you can really come back to it every single time you want to revisit some of those images and links and different profiles that you really find interesting and can inspire you. One thing that I do want to put your attention to today is the very middle of the screen where you can see our holiday promo challenge. We are going to be starting the promo challenge on July 11th through the 15th, 2022, and it is only $27 to join us. So definitely sign up today. You can go to www.collegeofstyle.com/HPC, and that stands for Holiday Promo Challenge, where you can plan, create, and schedule all of your different content for your holiday promotions. Yes, we are trying to get all of that planning and creating and converting for your holiday funnels out of the way so that you have something that you know is ready for the holiday season. I'm so excited that this is the second time we're doing this. I did this last year. It is going to be held inside of a private Facebook group. And one of the best parts about it is that there is a bonus white label marketing planner that you are going to get as part of this challenge. And another bonus is our masterclass. It's called Inbox Shop. And I'm so excited to bring that to you this year as well. So definitely sign up today. It's only $27. It's well worth it, especially for that bonus white label marketing planner. All right, so let's get into how to create a secret board on Pinterest, and one of the best things that you can do for your brand, which is pull in what you want your mood of your brand to be. So let's get started. You want to, first things first, is click on the saved button. If you have saved items on your Pinterest, you'll be able to see that button. And there's a plus button over here on the right hand side. All right, so you're going to want to click on the plus button. And then you're going to want to click on the one that says board. So you click on board, and then it says like places to go or recipes to make. So you want to name the board right there. So we're going to put mood board, and then I want to put style just so that I remember what it is. And then this button right here is going to help you keep this board secret. So you're going to click that button, the check mark comes up, and then you're going to click on the button that says create. While you've done this, it says save some pins to your new board. Now you can go through here and save some of these pins if they are interesting to you or they inspire you, or you can just click done and click out of that because maybe you don't want any pins to start on your board unless you're actually searching for them. So let's search for some ideas so that we can get some inspiration for what our brand's mood is going to be if we haven't already created it. So you want to click up here to where it says search. Okay, so right now it automatically, generally it goes to your pins. Okay, so if you don't have any pins, you really don't want to start there. But let's say you want to, and let me move myself out of the way here, you want to click on all pins. Okay, so you're starting at all pins, so you're searching all of Pinterest. So what I want to do is go into modern mood board. Okay, and then make sure it says all pins, and then click the enter button, and it should come up with a lot of different ideas. Okay, so many of these are going to be modern, and you can see I can scroll and scroll and scroll for days, right? And that's one of the the benefits and kind of the cons of Pinterest is there's so much to look at, right? And you don't necessarily want to be distracted by what's on Pinterest. You want to be really focused and get into being intentional about picking things that are going into your secret mood board. Okay, so I want to pick something like this. I like this right here, so I'm going to click on the down arrow and just make sure that I have the right board in that save option. So here's my mood board style. I want to click save, and it saved it right to the right board. Let's click some more. I kind of like this one down here. It kind of gives me kind of that home style. So let's click on that and we'll click save again. And then let's click on, I kind of like this blue in here. So let's click here and we'll click save one more time. And then what I want to do is go all the way to the top, and I want to just make sure that I can go back. Okay, so I'm going to click the back button on my browser, and I can see that I have 3 pins inside of my mood board style board, and it's my secret board, and you can make sure that it's secret by looking up here and seeing that it's secret. You can also click on this plus button if you want to invite a collaborator. Okay, so you can go through, and it's just giving people that I have, I believe, inside of my Pinterest connections, right? Or you can go to one of these 3 in here, one of these 3 buttons that say more ideas, organize, or to do. Okay, if I click on more ideas, it's going to give me more ideas based off of the pins that I just selected. So you'll see this color come into play, this blue color, some more kitchens and things like that. I can go back to my mood board style secret board. I can click on organize, because if I have a lot of different pins in here, I might want to move them around into different places so that I can have them next to each other in the sequence that I want them. Okay. The other thing that you can do is you can click on the to-do, right? So you can add your first to-do list item, and it says to-dos are your board's workspace. You can use them to round up pins to you want to try, write a list, or jot down anything else that you want to remember. So it's really good. Let's just add a first to do. Okay, so I want to add a title, and I'm going to say add more pins to my board. Okay, and then you can either add a pin, you can add a checklist, or you can add text, or you can click on these 3 dots and you can either delete it right there, right? And let me just put done. Okay, so now I have a to-do list. I've already started my to-do list and I've added something there. Okay, so going back, you see your pins are right there on your mood board. That's secret. You can organize them, you can add more ideas, or you can start a to-do list, or add people as collaborators. And the best thing that you can do so that you don't forget what your board is about is click on this 3 dots and you can edit your board. When you click on edit your board, you can give your board a cover, you can rename your board, you can add a description and say mood board inspo for inspiration, keep this board secret, or you can personalize it and show pins inspired by this board on your home feed. So as you are scrolling through Pinterest, then you can start adding things from your home feed into your secret board. Or if you really want to, you can delete the board, and then you can click done, and then look, here's my description right here, mood board inspo. So that's how you create a secret board on Pinterest. You organize it, you add your to-do list, or you can get more ideas. It's really great. You can continue to search. You can put modern, mood, and just click enter. I put from my pins, but you can put from all pins, and then you can see all of these different modern moods. I can save to my mood board right there, and just find things that make sense for you. If you don't have any inspiration as to your keywords, it's really great to just click around and see what things that you really like, okay? Find things that you like, because if you are finding things that are really great for you and what makes you tick, then you're ultimately going to be able to create something from that and really find your inspiration within it, because that's what Pinterest is all about. It's a visual search engine, and you want to find things that are going to keep you inspired, keep you experiencing more, so that when you are putting things together for your brand, for your business, that you know that your customers are going to see, that your audiences are going to see, that they are inspired by you and what you're putting forth as an experience for them to go through as part of what your website experience, your social media content, whatever it is, your packaging that you're sending to your items, your products and services to them. It's really important that you have that mood and that vibe really honed in so that they can, one, recognize you online, and two, feel what you're emitting, that energy, that life behind your brand. I hope this was really, really helpful in creating a secret mood board, and definitely check out some of our other videos and tutorials right here on the College of Style YouTube channel. Last but not least, definitely go to collegeofstyle.com/HPC. The Holiday Promo Challenge starts on July 11th, and if you can't join us for the challenge, the best part of this challenge is when you scroll down to our bonuses, you'll see you get the white label marketing planner, and it's 35 pages of editable marketing planner in Canva that you can then turn around and sell to your audiences. Number two, the bonus masterclass inbox shop. And number three, like I said, if you cannot make it to our challenge from the 11th to the 15th of July, you get replay access for 30 days. OMG. So definitely go to the website, collegeofstyle.com/HPC, and join us for only $27. It's such a steal, and I can't wait to see you inside of the challenge or buying the challenge simply for the bonuses and the replays. It is unheard of, and I so want to help you get into the holiday season, not just for the holidays, but right now, inside of July, the summer is going to be spreading holiday cheer, getting your offers together so that you are converting this holiday season. I can't wait to see you inside of the challenge. And as always, make sure to, if this was helpful for you, like this video and subscribe to the channel so that we can continue to bring you more great content right here on the College of Style YouTube channel. I can't wait to see what you create in your Pinterest boards and for your brands. If you'd like to work with us, you can always work one-on-one with me by going to our services link right there on our collegeofstyle.com page, and definitely join our challenge, the Holiday Promo Challenge that starts this July. You can sign up right now and tell a friend. Subscribe today to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.